What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon or Dagger coming to you guys with a brand new video. Today we're doing an oil change on her car, but besides that, on the FA5 we're installing a new steering wheel. I probably had this for like a week or so maybe. Just haven't been able to install it. Been a little busy with work and going to Disneyland every other day. But on our car we're installing this like quick oil, like a, I don't know what you call this, but it helps you guys with oil changes if you guys didn't know. Like instead of you having to unscrew the bolt every time, you just pretty much just put this in and like you can quick latch it.
Like a faucet.
Yeah, like a faucet. So should be pretty easy. We're just putting this on and we're also changing the oil. So I'm not going to teach you guys how to change oil on a car. I'm pretty sure you guys already know how to do that. So she's going to do that while I get started on the steering wheel. To pretty much get started on the install here, what you want to do is on each side right there, there's a little hole where you're going to grab like a T30 bit and go ahead and loosen those up. But before you do that, I should probably disconnect the battery. That'd probably be the smartest thing to do. Alrighty, so went ahead and unplugged the battery, but now like I said, you're going to kind of head in here, put your little hex nut in there. And it should come right out. So you can do that to both sides. And we're gonna go to this next. What? 3.7.
1, 2, 3, 4. Where's 5? Imaginary?
There's 5 quarters in there?
Yeah.
Okay, so I got the screws out, and then pretty much once you get this popped off, which was pretty easy because I'm assuming this is in stock. You're gonna have this one right here, which is gonna be connected. You just pull like the little switch down right here, and then you're gonna push this one up right there, and then it should release these two right here. So now what you're gonna do from here is you're gonna unscrew that right there, and then I'll show you guys what to do. Pretty much what you're gonna do is loosen it up a little bit, kind of screw it back in just a tad bit so you can knock this loose, and then it should be able to all come out. So we're gonna go ahead and knock that loose. So what you're pretty much gonna do is grab a 17. Oh god, this isn't long enough. Jesus. So just kind of, oh, it's a 14. So knock that loose, make sure your wheel is straight, and then what you're gonna do is tighten it up just a little bit. And it should just, oh. Make sure to not hit yourself in the face. Once it's loose like that, all you gotta do is loosen this shit up. Oh, you gotta disconnect these. Try to feed that through. And bam, get your steering wheel up. What?
I'm trying to get a thing.
Okay, so pretty much to take it off, it's all pretty simple. I'm going to put it back on. This is the way you take it off. I do have the horn, so I'm going to plug in the battery to make sure that it works. But this one doesn't have an airbag defouler, so my airbag light is going to be on, which is going to be annoying, but I'll get one in the future eventually. So got everything connected. The horn is a little broken, so it's not going to stay there 100%. But hopefully I can use the horn and it works. So we're going to go ahead and connect it now. But gosh, that looks so good. I needed a steering wheel for so long, and now it feels good to have an aftermarket one.
I guess it works.
It ain't supposed to be honking like that. Maybe I got it backwards. Let's try it a little bit. I'll tell you what makes sense. I kind of want to drive around with it. Look at it, dude. You want to sit in it? I'm gonna get a new one because eventually this is already coming off, but we'll get a nice one. Better than what we had. What? Dude, the steering wheel's so much closer to me now. So there's gonna be an airbag light on, which is gonna be that one. Huh? But
I said don't drive, I'm right here.
this ain't going nowhere. Super excited to finally have a steering wheel. Haha, and the horn works.
Is it tightened?
Yeah. As tight as it can get. Like I said, finally feels so good to have a steering wheel on. Now we're gonna go ahead and wash the cars because I haven't really washed the car since we got it back in December, which is gross. So we're gonna go ahead and clean the cars and give you guys a little time lapse.
Brandon! I didn't even know there was silver this whole time. A shiny silver.
I just wanted to know, why didn't nobody tell me that these wheels are silver? Said they were brown wheels. What the? Fistful of it right there. Oh, feels so good to have this steering wheel here now. Just look at her. I forgot to really make an outro for this video, so I'm just pretty much gonna make an outro at the same time. But yeah, we got the steering wheel on, as you guys can see, and honestly, it just feels super good. I'm so glad I finally have a steering wheel. It's been a minute, but I needed one. But I just want to get on here and just say thank you guys so much for 5K subscribers. I mean, we've been at this YouTube game for a while now, and we finally hit that 5K mark, and I'm super excited. We have so much more work to do. We just got a lot of things to do, and I'm super excited. You know, thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. I didn't think that any of this would be possible, but it just goes to show with like hard work, you can pretty much do anything that you need to do. So yeah, just thank you guys so much. It's been a blessing, but you guys know we don't stop here. We got some more dope videos coming soon that I hope you guys are ready for, that I'm excited to also do. It's just gonna be a lot of fun. This year I have big plans. We're having so much success this year, and hopefully we can continue this success and make more banger videos for you guys. You know, this just goes to show with hard work and dedication, you can literally do anything you want to do in life, as long as you just keep working and never give up and don't listen to what anybody says. Just go out there and just do it. So I'm super excited that we are where we are, but you guys already know we got a lot more work to do. So thank you guys so much. I hope you guys are enjoying the content lately. I've been trying to post once a week. I don't know if you guys noticed that. I've been trying. We're almost done with the tune. I think we're like on our last step of the tune, but yeah, man, I hope you guys are excited to see what's come next. I am still looking for a daily still. I haven't even been really looking too hard as of late, but I do want to get myself a daily, and I think I might have found myself another project car, no lie, but we'll see how everything goes and plays out. But if you guys are new here, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you guys have not already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for 5K. Here's for the road to 10K, baby.